Good day, ma'am. So today we will tackle about the agricultural applications of carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrates are crucial for human life and agriculture, providing energy, structural components, and ecological health. They optimize crop productivity, improve plant resilience, and ensure food security. Carbohydrates like cellulose act as the energy source for growth, converting sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose for protein synthesis. They also form the structural components of plant cell walls, providing rigidity and resistance to environmental stressors. Carbohydrates also serve as an energy reserve, stored as starch in roots, tubers, and seeds, enabling plants to survive challenging conditions and maintain consistent productivity. Carbohydrates also influence soil health by supporting beneficial microbial communities, aiding in nutrient cycling. Understanding carbohydrates' impact on crop production, plant health, and soil ecosystem is essential for developing sustainable farming practices for a growing global population. Proteins are essential for the health, growth, and productivity of plants and animals, making them the foundation of agriculture. These versatile complex molecules, made of amino acids, are essential for various aspects of life, including plant cell walls, animal productivity, and soil health. Proteins can be classified based on their structure and function, with the structural proteins providing mechanical strength and support for cells, tissues, and organisms. Functional proteins such as enzymes facilitate growth, metabolism, and defense, and are crucial for efficient functioning for agricultural systems. Transport proteins such as ion channels facilitate the movement of essential nutrients and gases across cell membranes, ensuring organisms receive the necessary resources for growth. Defense proteins like pathogenesis-related proteins help organisms defend against pathogens and environmental stress, boosting immune system and protecting against disease, pests, and environmental threats. Understanding proteins not only helps improve crop yield and livestock health, but also contributes to cultivating the molecular building blocks of a better agricultural frame.